Ever wanted to cut cool shapes into your 3D creations? Boolean Modifier, your secret weapon for awesome details. Just pick the smaller object, the cookie cutter, first, then the bigger one, your doughy masterpiece. With a quick Ctrl plus Shift plus B, you can choose Difference to slice that shape out perfectly. But remember to choose Brush, Boolean Difference. Want even finer control? Tinker with the settings before hitting Apply to make the change permanent. Here's a pro tip. Hide the smaller object after applying to avoid any accidental bumps that might ruin your work. This amazing tool lets you add intricate details, carve out holes, or even combine objects in a snap. No more tedious sculpting from scratch. Perfect for those last-minute client revisions. We've all been there. And quick edits to bring your 3D visions to life.
Try to avoid adjusting all transform because this will not fix your boolean, so I just avoid this one. And you can see on the right we have enough of those modifiers, and now I think the model is perfectly fine. We can easily apply this, but since this is for client work, so I will not apply because maybe in future he will ask for changes. So I keep it as it is and just try to change the color to check if this looks good or not. So I think this looks perfect.